Hello guys, I welcome you all back to my channel. This is Chisomebi, and in this video I'll be showing you how to claim a $33 no deposit bonus that you can use to trade. So all you just need to do is to register, to verify, make sure you verify, claim the bonus, and you can trade with it. Yes, it will only take 2 lot size and it's available for all countries. Yes, so if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also to share with your friends so that they can all benefit from it. So follow me as I show you how to claim the bonus. So the first thing that we need to do is to register. So we're going to click on register now. Yes, we're going to be imputing our details, our first name, last name, birth date, email, password. Then we're going to click on all these terms and conditions. Then after that, we'll click on continue. So let's do that right now. After that, we're going to be sent a confirmation pin to our email. So we're going to get it from our email, then we're going to impute it here. I've gotten mine already from my email, so let's just impute it, then we'll click on continue. So I'm logged in already, but my profile has not been verified yet. So I'm going to be verifying my profile. For me to get the bonus, I'll have to verify my profile first. So I'll click on this tree icon right here. Then I'll go to profile. Yes, then I'll click on upload documents. We're going to be uploading our documents. Yes, so this is it right here. So for us to upload our documents, we're going to select the type of documents that we'll be uploading. If it's your ID that you have, you upload that. If it's your proof of address, you upload that. So I'm going to be uploading my ID. So once you click on it, you select the one you want. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you, okay, let me just go back. Yes, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you'll be imputing your document number, then the country of issue. You're going to be selecting the country, then the type of documents you are uploading. Is it your passport or your national ID? You pick one. Then after that, you upload the front side of the document and the back side of the document, and also a selfie, yes, with ID. Then after that, we're going to now impute documents. We'll click on documents rather. So let's do that right now. As you can all see, I've been approved already. My ID have been approved and my proof of address have been approved. So the next thing for us to do is to create an account. Okay, so we're just going to click on this three button right here. Then we're going to go to account. We want to create an account. So click on account, then we'll click on open live account. And we are going to be selecting the account category. So we're going to click on select. Yeah, then we have the MetaTrader 5 and the MetaTrader 4, but we're going to be making use of the MetaTrader 4 for this site. So we'll click on MetaTrader 4 and click on continue. Then we're going to be selecting the account type. So we'll click on select, continue. Yes, so our account has been created successfully, as you can see it right here. So that's what we're going to be using to claim the bonus. You can also get the login details from your Gmail. Yes, it has also been sent to your Gmail. So it's either you get it directly from the site or you get it from your Gmail. Okay, so let's talk about the terms and conditions to claiming the bonus. Yes, so the bonus is available for all countries. As you can see, it's right here. Then the account leverage is 1:500. Then the minimum lots traded for withdrawal is 2.0 lots. is right here. Then the withdrawal for this promotion is only 100 USDT, both for minimum and maximum amounts. Yes, so you can just go through it. It's right here, the terms and conditions. So go through it. If you know you got it, just let me know in the comment section.